Dreaming of making YouTube money, but don't want to show your face? Good news! In 2025, faceless YouTube channels are blowing up. Stick with me because today I'll show you exactly how to start, step by step, and automate everything to earn passive income. Hit that like button if you're ready to build your faceless empire, and don't forget to subscribe. First, choose your niche. Some hot niches for faceless channels are Top 10s, motivation, finance, health tips, tech reviews, animation stories. Pick something evergreen and monetizable. Search YouTube for your niche, plus check trending videos. Look at what's getting millions of views. Model success, don't reinvent the wheel. Write simple scripts. AI tools like ChatGPT can help. Create short scripts. Keep them easy to understand, emotional, and valuable. Use tools like InVideo, Pictory.ai, or Canva to create videos without recording yourself. Drag drop footage plus AI voiceover equals sign ready to post. Not comfortable recording your voice? No problem. Use AI voice tools like 11 Labs, Murph.ai, or hire voiceover artists from Fiverr. Design eye-catching thumbnails on Canva. Create curiosity with your titles. Use power words like shocking, best, secrets, revealed. SEO is key. Use your keywords in title, description, and tags. Sprinkle trending hashtags like #YouTube automation, #faceless channel. Post at least 3-4 videos a week. Consistency builds algorithm trust and audience loyalty. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, boom, you can apply for YouTube Partner Program and start earning real dollars. Scale faster by outsourcing. Hire scriptwriters, editors, thumbnail designers from Fiverr or Upwork. You focus on strategy while your team runs production. Ready to build your faceless YouTube channel and finally start earning while you sleep? Smash that subscribe button and comment, "I'm ready" below. I'm cheering for you.